Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This time, shall we look at some Tomica Premium in Ferrari? This had come up some time ago, but I haven't had the time to make a review on this. So before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming review videos. So what we are going to look at here today is a Tomica Premium 512 BB. I think it's a first release and also the regular release. And again, this due to the license, Ferrari license, this only released in Japan market, and you can't actually buy outside Japan unless through parallel importers. So let's take a look at this piece of Ferrari. Let's open up the box. I think this is a lottery in Japan. If you are residing in Japan, you can actually submit this number through a website, which you scan through this QR code and then join the lottery. So maybe you can win something. So now, take a look. This is Ferrari 512 BB in the classic red. Take a look on the side. Okay, the front, you can see clearly the Ferrari logo in the middle. Turn on the right side. The rear, and again this is a premium Tomica, which is between their main line and their Tomica limited vintage. In detail wise, look at the, so you can see produced under license of Ferrari. This is actually 161 scale, not exactly though, 164. So the engine, I'll try to open up, so you can open up at the back. See that? There's a engine. If you like, you can add some more detail. Headlight actually can be turned on, which is quite cool. We always like to see some moving parts in the die-cast car, which is add more realism and details. Personally, I like it. Close it. Looks sharp. Okay, now let's take a look at the yellow one with the commemorative edition. Here, first release. I always use these metal rulers to help me to open up this box, so you don't have to use your finger to actually try hard to pull this flap open. So what you do is you just slide this in, and then there we go. So this is yellow. Yeah, it's basically they're the same, just the difference is the colors. Take a look. Quite a sharp nose actually. You will see. So at the top, right wheel. The only missing is a side mirror, which you normally will only find in a Tomica limited vintage range of the cars. So for mainline and premium, usually you do not have that. But the detail for Tomica Premium is still quite good. Okay, the bottom, just that they are still just clip-on wheel, and you turn on the headlight. But now, go back. Okay, this one. So this is the yellow 512BB. In the resale market, this go at least double the price of the normal. If we go by Singapore market, it's about 12 plus to 14 plus normal retail price. But because this is a Ferrari, sometimes it fetch higher in the Singapore market. So if you can, and if you like Ferrari, do get the pay for yourself. I think this worth collecting. So anyway, that's all for today. Let me know your comment below, and what do you think of this pair of Ferrari. And again, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for those who already done so. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support. See you soon. Bye.